This crypto beginner earned $5,000 passively in just 3 months with trading bots. In today's video, we will cover the Buy the Dip trading bot that allowed the crypto beginner to earn over $5,000 in just 3 months. We will be testing if it is really possible to make this amount of money, and we will also show you exactly how you can earn passively using these crypto trading bots. The trading bot was developed by Pionex, which is a crypto exchange with built-in trading bots. This means that by using these bots you will be able to place trades and make profit automatically without having to lift a finger. We have wanted to make this video for a very long time, so we are glad Pionex could be the sponsor for the video. Now that we have gotten all that out of the way, let's head over to Pionex. Firstly, you will of course need to sign up for an account. You can sign up for an account via the link in the description and get 20% off all trading fees. Now that we have an account, let's take a look at how much we will be able to earn passively with the Buy the Dip bot. As you can see, here is a list of all of the bots that you can use to automatically trade. The user that earned $5,000 in just 3 months used the Buy the Dip bot, so let's take a look at that bot first. Click on the Strategy tab and then select the Buy the Dip bot. After that, click on the Create the Bot button. Before we fill in the input tabs, let's first take a look at how this bot works so that we can make sure that we fill in the best parameters. So how does the Buy the Dip bot work? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Let's use an example so that it will be easier to explain. Let's say you have $15,000 in your balance, and you would like to buy BTC at $15,000 because you think that this is the lowest that Bitcoin will go. This means that at $15,000 you will be able to buy 1 Bitcoin. Now that we know this, we can continue filling in the inputs. We will input $15,000 at the buying price since we would like to buy Bitcoin at $15,000. After that, click on the search button. Now you will see a list of products from which you can choose. You can choose a product based on the settlement period, buying price, or APY. This might look a bit confusing, but don't worry, you can click on the Details button for more information. As you can see, you can now see exactly what will happen. To summarize, there are 2 scenarios. Scenario 1 is that your settlement period is 7 days, and the price of Bitcoin is less than or equal to $15,000 after the 7 days are over. If you invested $15,000 and the product had an APY of 20%, this would mean that you will receive 1 Bitcoin plus 0.38% interest, so in total, you would receive 1.0038 Bitcoin. Scenario 2 is if the price of Bitcoin is above $15,000 after the 7 days are over. Say you invested $15,000 and the product had an APY of 20%, then you would receive $15,057 after the 7 days are over. This means that you earned $57. So in both cases you will earn interest. The only difference is that you will either receive your earnings in Bitcoin or a stablecoin. Now that we know exactly how the Buy the Dip bot works, let's choose which product will be best for you. If your goal is to buy more crypto at the dip, then simply choose the product that has the highest APY with a buy price at which you would like to buy the crypto. If your goal is to earn more passive income, then a good strategy would be to set the buy price far from the current price to lower the probability of buying crypto. However, do remember that this will cause the APY to be lower. Based on this information, we will choose a product. For the showcase, we will be choosing this product since it has a high APY. Click on the Buy button to choose the product. Now you will need to choose the investment amount. For the showcase, I will be using 500 USDT. If you don't have any balance and would like to deposit, click on the Wallet button and select the Overview tab. After that, click on the Deposit button. Here you will be able to choose which coin you would like to deposit by clicking on the drop-down button. Now that you have some balance, let's head back to the Setup menu. As you can see below the Input tab, you can see the settlement calculator. As you can see here, we will be earning around $12.50. Click on the OK button to buy the product. Now it will ask you to confirm the order. Click on the OK button again. After refreshing the page, you will be able to see your position. Now we have bought the product, however, there might still be a problem. What if the price of Bitcoin falls to $14,000 before the 7 days are over? Well, we will still earn the interest, however, it won't be enough to offset the loss, but there is still a solution. Pionex currently also has a covered gain bot, but the big difference is that instead of buying Bitcoin, you will be selling Bitcoin while earning interest. So say you want to sell Bitcoin at $17,500, then head over to the Strategy tab and select the Buy the Dip bot. After that, select Covered Gain. Now you can choose the coin that you would like to sell. You will also be able to choose at what price you would like to sell the coin. In our case, we will choose Bitcoin and we will choose to sell the coin at $17,500. Now click on the search button. As you can see, you can now earn interest while waiting to sell the coin. So is it actually possible to earn $5,000 in just 3 months by using the Pionex Buy and Sell bot? Yes, it is. The screenshot showing the person that earned $5,000 invested $100,000. If we invested that amount with the product previously shown, we would earn $2,494 in just 17 days, so earning $5,000 in 3 months seems very much possible. Overall, the Buy the Dip seems like a great tool for people who want to buy crypto at a low price and earn some yield at the same time. After the FTX liquidity crisis, and now that the market is going down, it could be a good opportunity to use the Buy the Dip bot to buy crypto at a very low price while earning yield, or you could just earn some high passive yield at low risk. However, please keep in mind that the market is always unpredictable, so no matter how low the target buy price you set, there is still the possibility that you may buy that crypto. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, or if you have any questions about Pionex, send a message to their support Telegram channel.